Your entryway is the very first impression of your home, and in 2026, it's becoming one of the most beautifully styled spaces in modern interiors. Whether you have a spacious foyer or a compact hallway, a thoughtfully designed entryway can instantly make your home feel elegant, welcoming, and professionally decorated. In today's video, we're sharing inspiring entryway ideas featuring stylish console tables, statement mirrors, beautiful lighting, and carefully selected decor that create a designer-inspired look without overwhelming your space. Stay until the end because the final ideas combine timeless elegance with the latest interior design trends you'll love. Let's begin. The overarching theme for 2026 entryway design is curated intentionality. This movement shifts away from the cluttered maximalist foyers of previous years, favoring a less but better approach. Designers are prioritizing the psychological impact of the home's first impression, utilizing spatial balance and high-quality materials to create a sense of immediate tranquility. By reducing the number of decorative objects, each remaining piece is given the room to breathe, allowing its craftsmanship and form to serve as a primary design statement. The architectural role of statement mirrors. In 2026, mirrors are treated less as functional glass and more as architectural interventions. Form and silhouette, oversized round mirrors are being utilized to break up the rigid vertical and horizontal lines of modern hallways, providing a necessary visual softness. Arched mirrors, often reaching heights of 5 to 6 feet, are being used to mimic the appearance of windows or doorways, adding a sense of historical elegance to new constructions. Frame finishes. The trend has bifurcated into two distinct paths. Ultra-thin matte black frames are the standard for industrial and contemporary Scandi chic aesthetics. Conversely, brushed gold and antique brass finishes are seeing a resurgence in transitional homes, providing a warm metallic contrast to cool-toned walls. Optical benefits. Beyond aesthetics, the strategic placement of mirrors opposite light sources is a key 2026 tactic to double the perceived square footage and maximize the golden hour glow within the home. The console table, materiality and form. The console table remains the foundational element of the entryway, with 2026 seeing a shift toward tactile and organic materials. Fluted and ribbed textures. Wood consoles featuring fluted detailing are at the forefront. This texture adds depth and a play of light and shadow without requiring additional decor. Organic silhouettes. Sharp corners are being replaced by pill-shaped designs and soft, radiused edges. These curved forms improve flow in high-traffic areas, preventing the entryway from feeling cramped. Material fusion. The most sought-after pieces combine contrasting elements, such as a heavy, veined Calacatta marble top resting on a light, white oak base. This juxtaposition of cold stone and warm wood creates a sophisticated, multi-dimensional look. Advanced styling. The layering technique. Styling in 2026 follows a specific hierarchical structure to ensure the arrangement feels professional rather than cluttered. Establishing height. The anchor. Every console requires a vertical anchor. This is typically achieved through a tall, slim-profile table lamp or a staggered pair of tapered candle holders. In 2026, lamps with pleated fabric shades or ceramic totem bases are particularly popular, adding substance. The foundation horizontal layers are created using oversized coffee table books. These serve as pedestals for smaller items, elevating them into the line of sight. Designers recommend choosing books with neutral spines or those that reflect the homeowner's genuine interests, art, travel, or architecture. Organic elements. The life of sculptural vase is essential. The 2026 trend leans toward foraged greenery, long, asymmetrical branches like olive, eucalyptus, or cherry blossoms, rather than tight, formal bouquets. This introduces an element of wild, natural beauty. The finishing touch. The curation. The final layer consists of small, tactile objects. Hand-thrown ceramic bowls act as catch-alls for keys, while small brass sculptures or stone links provide a final touch of texture and personality, completing the designer aesthetic. The entryway serves as the definitive introduction to a home, setting the tone for the architectural narrative that follows. To create a space that is both functional and aesthetically profound, one must balance technical elements like lighting and color with tactile details and spatial optimization. 1. Advanced lighting strategies. Lighting is the primary tool for atmospheric control. To achieve a professional look, implement a layered lighting scheme. Ambient lighting. Large-scale fixtures like modern chandeliers or oversized pendant lights serve as the room's jewelry. In 2026, expect to see organic shapes and frosted glass that diffuse light evenly. Accent lighting. A stylish table lamp on a console provides a secondary light source at eye level, which is more flattering and intimate than overhead light alone. Task lighting. For larger foyers, wall-mounted sconces can illuminate specific areas like a mirror or a piece of fine art, adding architectural depth. Color temperature. Aim for warm white, 2700 K to 3000 K. This range mimics natural sunlight and makes the neutral color palettes feel cozy rather than clinical. Point 2. The 2026 color palette and material finishes. The shift toward new neutrals emphasizes warmth and longevity. The 2026 palette focuses on the foundation, warm whites, cream, and mushroom taupe. These shades reflect light better than dark colors, making the space feel airy. Contrast elements, black metal accents, iron or matte steel, provide a graphic frame for the room, while brass and champagne gold finishes add a touch of quiet luxury. Natural wood, light oak, walnut, and reclaimed timber are essential for grounding the space and preventing it from feeling too sterile. Point 3. Tactile depth and materiality. Texture is what prevents a neutral space from looking flat. Incorporating a variety of surfaces creates visual weight. Hard surfaces, travertine and natural stone accessories, like trays or bowls, offer an organic, high-end feel. Ribbed or fluted ceramics add subtle shadows and movement. Soft surfaces, linen lampshades and high-quality textured fabrics, like boucle or heavy cotton, soften the hard lines of furniture. Woven elements, seagrass or jute baskets provide functional storage for shoes or umbrellas while introducing an earthy, artisanal quality. Point 4. Spatial solutions for small entryways. In compact floor plans, the goal is to maximize perceived volume without cluttering the walkway. The slim console. Look for waterfall styles or tables with thin metal legs that allow the floor to remain visible, which tricks the eye into seeing more space. The mirror effect. A large-scale circular or arched mirror is a non-negotiable for small spaces. It doubles the light and creates the illusion of a second room beyond the wall. Verticality. When floor space is limited, use the walls. Tall, slender branches, like quince or cherry blossoms, in a floor vase or vertical gallery walls draw the gaze upward toward the ceiling, emphasizing height over width. Point 5. Biophilic integration. Adding greenery is the final layer of styling that breathes life into the design. Statement plants, a potted olive tree or a tall fiddle leaf fig provides height and a sophisticated Mediterranean aesthetic. Low maintenance options. For those without a green thumb, high-quality Real Touch faux plants made from silk and polymer are indistinguishable from the real thing and remain vibrant in low-light entryways. Floral accents. Simple eucalyptus stems or white orchids offer a clean, minimalist look that complements the 2026 neutral aesthetic while providing a subtle, natural fragrance. Wall art serves as the definitive visual anchor for your entryway, offering a unique opportunity to express your aesthetic from the first step inside. Large-scale abstract paintings can command the room, while a curated gallery of minimalist prints provides a sophisticated, rhythmic feel. To elevate these pieces, consider the interplay of light. Installing dimmable wall sconces or a dedicated picture light above the frame adds a layer of museum-quality refinement, casting a warm, inviting glow that highlights textures and colors. Beyond aesthetics, the most successful entryways prioritize seamless organization through high-quality functional accents. A decorative tray, crafted from materials like honed marble, polished brass, or hand-stitched leather, acts as a designated drop zone for daily essentials such as keys, sunglasses, and mail. This prevents the clutter creep that often plagues high-traffic areas. Complementing this, the space beneath your console table should be utilized for hidden storage. Oversized woven baskets made of natural jute or seagrass are ideal for stowing shoes, umbrellas, or throw blankets, maintaining a clean floor line while adding organic warmth to the design. The hallmark of a designer-inspired entryway is the intentional balance between form and function. Every object should serve a purpose or evoke an emotion. To achieve this, employ the rule of 3 when styling your console. Layer a tall element, like a lamp or a sculptural vase, a medium element, such as a stack of coffee table books, and a low element, like a small candle or bowl. This creates a dynamic silhouette that feels curated rather than cluttered. Transforming your entrance into a grand foyer does not necessitate a full-scale renovation. By integrating a statement mirror to amplify light, a well-proportioned console table, layered lighting, and a mix of natural textures, you create a transition space that is both impressive and deeply personal. We would love to hear your thoughts on these design strategies. Which specific style, minimalist, traditional, or eclectic, best fits your home's personality? Share your insights in the comments below. If you found these detailed decorating tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest interior design trends, color palettes, and home styling guides throughout 2026. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next deep dive into home transformation.